So Benjamin already in Corsica?
We see the Corsica. We see Corsica and we go in the direction of Propriano. Propriano. Because we go in Italy.
Comment tu dis? How do you say?
Propriano, Boniface.
Boniface.
Portovecchio.
Scusetti. Perfetto. C'est fait un petit café. We did a café, a coffee. Perfetto. And we are taking in few minutes to try to cross just in front of Holcim.
Looks like it's pretty hard to sleep this morning, eh?
Short sleeps, baby sleeps.
Why that?
Il a perdu 4000 Patrick, ça.
Ah oui, en allant trop loin.
Ouais, mais c'était très progressif. C'est pas...
Because we're
Alors, il est pas
short tacking up to Bonifacio, and which means you have to tack. The more you tack, the faster you go. So, which means you need 4 people to tack, and you can't sleep if there's 4 people attacking, because you're not allowed to help.
So they wake you up every...
So they wake me up every 20 minutes. So, part of the game.
Okay.
If it's to be in the lead, I'll take it. If it's to come third, they can do it by themselves.